Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. This is day 16 of my English speaking practice and journey. I am here to improve my communication skills and become fluent in English. One of the things I do to improve my communication skills is read book. You have heard right. It is one of my favorite hobbies because it helps me to improve my communication skills. I try to read book every single day. Do you know why? Let me tell you. When I read a book, I find many words. Sometimes I find many difficult words, phrase which I have never heard in my life. Okay, when I find this type of words, first I take my notebook and take pen. Then I write it into my notebook. In my notebook, and then I try to make sentence. Okay, and then I take a picture and it sent to Chat GPT. Chat GPT responds me, "Yeah, you did wrong. You made a wrong sentence." Then I realized, oh my god, I made a blunder. I have been practicing English for 10 months. I still I am still making a lot of mistake. Oh my god. That's why I try to read book every single day whenever I get time. Sometimes I don't get time to read book because of other work. As a girl, I have responsibility. As a girl, I have some responsibility which I fulfill, and I live in a village. That's why, and I am only one girl in my family. That's why I have some responsibility which I fulfill, which I do, and my parents also helps me. But being a girl, it is very difficult to do all the things in our home, because I am a student, I am an aspirant, and I am a girl, and everyone knows that girl has a many responsibility. Women has a many responsibility. They have many responsibilities, but they play their role in their life. So I can say I have responsibility, but I enjoy my responsibility. I I am self assured that I can achieve anything in my life, and it is my favorite hobbies to read a book. If you are beginner like me, I have been practicing English for 10 months. I am still beginner. I am unable to speak a fluent English. I try to speak every single day whenever I get a free time. And you know, I am practicing every time. I am practicing and I practice every time. Do you know how? Like, what I am doing right now? What I am doing right now? I am just sitting here. In Hindi, we say, मैं बैठी हूँ. I am sitting here. मैं काम कर रही हूँ. I am doing work. मैं जा रही हूँ. I am going. मैं खाना बना रही हूँ. I am cooking. It means when You don't no you don't need to get free time to practice English. Okay, you have a time, you have excuse, and you have time. Both are different, but you says both are one. Both are not different. I am saying both are different because you have a time, you have many times, you have much time to practice English. Whenever you get time, you can practice. Okay, while doing any work, uh, like suppose you are cooking food, you can say I am cooking food, I am in my kitchen, there are many things which I can see, then you can describe your kitchen. Okay, and when you read book, you can say I don't have time to practice English. But literally guys, you have much time to practice English. Do you know how and why? You have a reason yourself. You can ask yourself, why I am practicing English? Why? What I will get to practice English? When you find your why, you will definitely do something massive in your life. I know why I am practicing English. I know why I am doing like that. I know why I am making this type of video. There is less view. There is no any views on my video, but I am still making my video. I am not making my video uh, to view. No, I am improving myself. That's why I am recording myself. Then I upload my video on my YouTube channel. This is my journey, and I am self assured that I believe myself. I can do, and one day I will become in my life. You know, when I record my video and when I started speaking English, my topic is different, but while speaking English, I speak anything, whatever in my mind, whatever in my mind, I spoke everything. Okay, and still sometimes ago I was talking to you about book, about reading, and what is my hobby, and I told you that one of my favorite hobbies is reading book, right? But while speaking English, while talking to you, while shooting this video, I try I speak sorry I spoke many things. I don't have any idea what I spoke. Especially I record my video on my rooftop, and I can say there are many people and there are many person who see me, and I feel doesn't matter. Yeah, I am doing my work to become fluent in English. Okay, there are many YouTube channels and there are many English learners who are doing right, and they are growing, they are improving their English, they are growing their channel, they are speaking very well. But I am still there. Before 10 months I was there. I should remain here, but I was there because I am not consistent on my journey, and I I don't practice every single day, so that's why. And I say that is the reason behind it. I am not growing. I am not growing. I am not improving myself. My channel is not growing. That is the reason. But I said that I am not recording my video only views. I am not recording my video to grow my channel. I am recording my video to improve myself. Okay, so this is the reason why I am here. And while recording my video, I am seeing a boy who is sitting his his rooftop, and I am seeing him. Why? Because sometimes ago he was seeing me, and I can say he thought, what 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 she's doing, sorry, what she was doing. Then when I see anyone, when I see any person or any else, I feel I feel shy. That's why I record my video on my rooftop, and that's why uh, I feel fear. I feel shy to speak English in front of any person or among the people. There are many regions. That's why I am still beginner. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I will sorry I hope I gave you something useful for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.